heard about it in the news and your neighbors are talking about it. It's the new health care bill. Congresswoman Loretta Sanchez and Mayor Bill Dalton were at the Community Meeting Center on Monday to let seniors know how the new changes might affect them. Reporter Vanessa Peng has more.
So it's dependent on you understanding what the law is and what the implementation is.
Congresswoman Loretta Sanchez teamed up with Cal Optima at the Community Meeting Center on Monday to get the word out about the effects of health care reform on seniors. She also told the crowd why she voted for the bill in Congress.
This will go down in history as one of the most important pieces of legislation, and that is that Americans will have access and affordability to health care from now on.
She says it won't happen right away. Congress has 3 years to change things in the bill that don't work. She wants to get input from her constituents so she can bring all those concerns to Washington. But there are people who don't buy it.
We are not going to sit back and accept Washington rolling over the American people and dictating health care choices across this country.
New York Governor George Pataki was at a rally in Fountain Valley calling for a repeal of the health care bill.
They told us it was going to lower health care costs. In fact, it's going to increase health care costs.
Congresswoman Sanchez says the bill will actually save taxpayers money in the long run.
Instead of sending people to the highest cost point in the system, the emergency hospital, after they've been sick for many years, if we can catch them way ahead of time at the local clinic, it is going to save us a lot of money.
Assemblyman Van Tran was at the rally too. He is running against Sanchez in the November election.
Small business owners will hesitate from hiring new employees, not knowing how these new rules will impact their operations.
Business owners with more than 50 employees will be penalized if they don't offer health insurance. We talked to some small business owners at a healthcare reform forum held at the Pacifica Institute in Irvine.
We would be happy to give our employees health coverage because if they are healthy or if they have health coverage, they will be more effective on their work.
We've also put in incentives so that small businesses can actually afford to cover their people. And if they can't afford to cover their people, then those people will get individual health care plans out of the individual health care exchange.
Congresswoman Sanchez says the health care exchange will consist of a pool of insurance companies that can provide health insurance to individuals and small businesses. Undocumented workers and people who have lived in the U.S. for less than 5 years will not be eligible for the health care exchange program. This is Vanessa Peng reporting.